Have you ever wondered how two simple kitchen ingredients, apple cider vinegar and baking soda, can be combined to create a powerful formula for overall health improvement? Today, let's explore a drink that's easy to make and offers a range of benefits, including aiding digestion, promoting weight loss, boosting energy levels, and even helping prevent diseases. Stay tuned, because at the end of this video, we'll reveal the perfect recipe to maximize the effectiveness of this special drink. Get ready to embark on your health upgrade journey now. 1. History and traditional uses. Apple cider vinegar boasts a long history, dating back at least 8,000 years to ancient Egyptian civilization. They used it as a natural disinfectant for cleaning and promoting health. In ancient Greece, apple cider vinegar was known as a healing elixir, and Hippocrates, considered the father of modern medicine, recommended it in his treatments. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, has a long history of use, dating back to ancient civilizations. Initially, it was employed as a natural cleaning agent and soap. Later, people discovered that baking soda could be used to address digestive health issues when consumed appropriately. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, has a long history of use, dating back to ancient civilizations. Initially, it was employed as a natural cleaning agent and soap. Later, people discovered that baking soda could be used to address digestive health issues when consumed appropriately. 2 health benefits. The combination of apple cider vinegar, ACV, and baking soda offers numerous health benefits due to the unique interplay between the alkalinity of baking soda and the acidity of apple cider vinegar. Consuming this mixture daily before meals can support various bodily functions. Let's delve into the specific benefits in detail. Maintaining a balanced pH level in your body is crucial for overall health. Modern lifestyles often involve consuming processed foods, sugary drinks, and high-fat diets, which can lead to an acidic state in the body. This acidity can contribute to chronic inflammation, hormonal imbalances, and various health issues. Baking soda, with its alkaline properties, helps neutralize excess acid in the body, promoting optimal pH levels. Apple cider vinegar, on the other hand, aids in regulating stomach acidity, creating a more balanced environment for efficient digestion. Apple cider vinegar provides natural enzymes that aid digestion, breaking down food, and improving nutrient absorption. Baking soda helps alleviate common stomach acid-related symptoms such as heartburn, acid reflux, and bloating. This blend helps regulate stomach acid levels, preventing both excessive acidity and insufficient acidity, both of which can contribute to digestive issues. Detoxification and kidney health. The role of kidneys. Kidneys play a crucial role in filtering blood and eliminating toxins. An acidic environment in the body puts stress on the kidneys and increases the risk of kidney stones. Benefits of the mixture. Apple cider vinegar, with its natural sulfur content, helps support kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Baking soda helps alkalize urine, reducing the risk of urinary tract infections and aiding in detoxification. Chronic inflammation, often caused by an acidic diet and toxin buildup, can lead to muscle and joint pain. Baking soda, with its alkalizing properties, can help reduce inflammation in muscles and joints. Apple cider vinegar, rich in antioxidants and natural anti-inflammatory agents, can soothe joint pain and reduce inflammation associated with conditions like arthritis. This blend supports weight management by boosting metabolism and aiding in fat burning. Apple cider vinegar enhances metabolic processes, while baking soda helps curb appetite by regulating stomach acid levels. By consuming this mixture before meals, you may experience increased satiety, leading to reduced food intake and promoting natural weight loss. Apple cider vinegar offers numerous benefits for heart health. It helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, increase good cholesterol, HDL, and prevent plaque buildup in arteries. The mixture's ability to neutralize acids and enhance circulation contributes to cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease and high blood pressure. Boosting energy. Understanding fatigue. Fatigue often stems from an accumulation of acids, a deficiency in enzymes, and electrolyte imbalances. Apple cider vinegar provides natural enzymes, enhancing energy metabolism. Baking soda helps maintain electrolyte balance, reducing fatigue and promoting stable energy levels. Apple cider vinegar can help improve skin health by balancing its pH levels, reducing inflammation, and fighting bacteria. This can be beneficial for treating acne and dry skin. When consumed, apple cider vinegar helps the body eliminate toxins, leading to a healthier and more radiant complexion. Boosting your immune system. Apple cider vinegar is rich in antioxidants and contains beneficial bacteria, which help improve gut health, a crucial factor in strengthening your immune system. Baking soda helps reduce oxidative stress in the body, supporting your body's ability to fight off infections. A blend of apple cider vinegar and baking soda offers a natural and comprehensive approach to enhancing various aspects of health, including digestion, reducing inflammation, managing weight, and supporting cardiovascular health. Regular use not only provides short-term benefits, but also contributes to long-term overall well-being. 3. Warnings and notes. While the combination of apple cider vinegar, ACV, and baking soda offers numerous health benefits, improper use or neglecting individual factors can lead to side effects or negative consequences. Here are some specific warnings and considerations to keep in mind. Apple cider vinegar. It is best to use raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar that contains mother, which is a thin, cloudy layer of beneficial bacteria, enzymes, and protein strands. The mother is crucial for preserving the nutritional value and health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Avoid using processed apple cider vinegar. Filtered or commercially prepared apple cider vinegar often lacks nutritional value and may contain preservatives that are not good for your health. Baking soda. Use baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, not baking powder. Baking powder contains additives like acids and starch, which are not suitable for consumption. Ensure that the baking soda is food grade and avoid using the type intended for cleaning purposes. Always dilute before use. This is because both apple cider vinegar and baking soda are potent substances. If undiluted, the mixture can irritate the mucous membranes of the mouth, esophagus, and stomach. Remember to always mix apple cider vinegar and baking soda with warm water, at least 250 milliliters, to reduce their acidity and alkalinity, ensuring safe digestion. Recommended dosage and frequency. For optimal results, it is suggested to use this mixture 1-2 times daily, preferably in the morning and before dinner. Each serving should consist of no more than 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. To avoid potential digestive discomfort, it is recommended to consume this mixture at least 1 hour before meals. Potential risks of overuse. Excessive consumption may lead to electrolyte imbalances, potentially causing symptoms such as muscle cramps, fatigue, or nausea. Frequent use beyond 2 to 3 times per day could disrupt the body's natural pH balance, potentially impacting overall health. Potential side effects. Stomach irritation. Consuming apple cider vinegar in excessive amounts or on an empty stomach can irritate the stomach lining, increasing the risk of ulcers. Tooth enamel damage. The acidity in apple cider vinegar can erode tooth enamel if it comes into direct contact. Use a straw to drink the mixture and rinse your mouth with clean water afterward. Drug interactions. Baking soda can alter the pH of the stomach, affecting how certain medications are absorbed, especially those for heart conditions, antacids, or antibiotics. Apple cider vinegar may interact with insulin or diabetes medications, causing an excessive drop in blood sugar levels. This mixture may not be suitable for everyone, particularly those with certain health conditions. Individuals with stomach problems, people with peptic ulcers, severe gastritis, or GERD should avoid this mixture as it may irritate the lining of the stomach and worsen symptoms. Individuals with kidney disease. Baking soda can affect kidney filtration, especially in those with chronic kidney disease. Pregnant or breastfeeding women. While there is no clear evidence of negative effects, using apple cider vinegar and baking soda during these periods should be done with caution and after consulting a doctor. Duration of use and body response. For short-term use, it's recommended to take the product for a specific period, e.g., 1 to 3 months, and then discontinue to monitor your body's response. If you experience any side effects such as nausea, stomach pain, digestive issues, or allergies, stop using the product immediately and consult a doctor. The taste and how to improve it. Taste issues. Some people may find this mixture difficult to drink due to the sourness of apple cider vinegar and the saltiness of baking soda. How to improve it? You can add a touch of pure honey or a few drops of lemon juice to enhance the flavor. However, it is best to avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners as they may diminish the health benefits. A mixture of apple cider vinegar and baking soda, when used correctly and consistently, can offer not only short-term benefits but also contribute to long-term overall health improvement, disease prevention, and a healthy lifestyle. However, it's crucial to always adhere to recommended dosages and listen to your body to ensure safety and optimal effectiveness. We've explored the amazing benefits of apple cider vinegar and baking soda drinks together. From aiding digestion and weight loss to improving overall health, this is truly a simple yet effective natural solution. If you find this information helpful, please like and share it so that more people can benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to the Gold Price 368 channel to stay updated on other interesting health tips. Try it today, and we wish you all good health and energy. See you in the next video.